If you're finished with your design and you are ready to download it, but you're not going to save it as an image or PNG that you're going to use for another design, and you want it to be your final product to print, you can go ahead and click Share and click download. And here you can change it to PDF with print, which is best for printing. If you're going to use it as still a digital product or PDF, like in a digital format for emailing documents, then you could just do PDF standard. But if you want to print it, you're going to choose PDF print, best for printing. Here, if you're sending it to a print shop, you want to make sure to click this crop marks and bleed. And if you click the little info button, it will open up a new page in Canva that will explain why that's important to include crop marks and bleed if you're trimming after printing. And you can see again, similar to another video I had about PNGs, you can actually choose which pages you want to include in your final PDF print. If you don't want all the pages, you can just uncheck all pages and just click the box of the page that you actually do want to print. Then you can click Done and Download, and your PDF print is ready to download.